please excuse my makeup in this video because it's atrocious and I've been wearing it for like 11 hours because it's super late at night. And also, if you know where this shirt is from, please give this video a thumbs up because you know I'm representing my other fellow YouTubers. And let me know if you know who this is down below. Hey guys, it's your girl Sandra D here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to bring you guys this video today because I've recently got my hands on the Jeffree Star mystery boxes for Valentine's Day, and I was able to order both of them. So he did release two. He released a deluxe one and then a premium one. Now the premium one is the one I'm going to be showing you because this is the one that was worth $30. And then the next one is the deluxe one, which is worth $75. At least that's how much it's valued at, and that's how much I had to pay for it. But the value of the boxes are supposed to exceed it by at least 2 times of what you actually paid for it. So I'm just super excited to dig into this box and see what's in it. Now, when I was trying to order it, there was a little bit of drama just because the website itself crashed. And Jeffree did put that on his Twitter that we all crashed his website. But I was able to get my hands on them, which I was going to be super depressed if I wasn't going to, because I literally was refreshing that page like a million times to make sure I got them, because I put them in my cart when he released it like 1 minute after, and there's my dog barking while I'm trying to film. Not cool. Anyways, so I was able to get my hands on these boxes. The website crashed. Anyways, to save the day, I did get them. And super excited just to give you a sneak peek into what this mystery box has. Now, I will be doing a part 2 video when I do get the bigger box. Now, each one of these boxes does have an exclusive item to it. This one, I believe, has a pop socket in it. And then the other one does have the Can't Relate t-shirt that is in a different format. Now, I do have the regular one, which is just in black and pink, and this one is like maroon, pink, and red, and whatever, which we'll see when we get it, because I have looked at other people's videos just to kind of get a sneak peek into what is in these boxes, because I just don't want to get repeat items. And I know he was on his Snapchat telling us that he was listening to our feedback and what we thought about the last mystery boxes, which I wasn't able to get, but obviously I got these ones this time. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is what the box looks like, and let's go ahead and see what's in it. So when you first open it, you're going to have this pink packaging, and then that is everything that I've got in here. So it looks like the first item right off the bat, we do have the Jeffree Star official pop socket, and that is what it looks like. I do like pop sockets now. Before, I used to hate them, and I think they were just atrocious and stupid. And why did everyone have a pop socket on their thing when, I don't know. But now, I love them, and I will definitely be using this. I just need to get a new phone case that will go with this. Or maybe, can't you just pop them off of the other ones and just put a new one on? Just like the little circle. Are pop sockets universal? I don't know. Let me know down below. And then the next thing that we've got in here are a few different lip colors that are in here. So it looks like I've got 2 of his velour liquid lipsticks, and then I have a bullet, actually no, 3 liquid lipsticks, and then 1 of the lip ammunition bullets. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, obviously I can tell with the 2 white ones, these are some of his newest releases that he did towards the end of last year. And then I got Can't Relate and Clout. And so it looks like Can't Relate is more of like a peachy color. I do know I have seen the packaging on this, and it is beautiful. Somewhere in here I will gladly go ahead and insert what the lip swatches are supposed to look like from the website, if I can get my hands on them. But the packaging itself is just stunning. Can you see that? And how it's so shiny. It's shiny just like my ring. Anyways. Quick reference there. But anyways, this packaging is beautiful. Now I do believe, like I said, it is like a nude color, if you can see that right there. But again, I will put swatches of this stuff on the screen so you can actually see it. So this definitely is a easy color to wear on your lips. And if you're wondering what color I'm wearing on my lips right now, that is going to be the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Leo. This is a very loved velour liquid lipstick that I cannot get enough of, and because the packaging you can see is kind of ripped off, and so is the Jeffree Star logo. So very loved item of mine, but I'm just so excited to have this because I don't have enough of his cosmetics, just because they are a little bit more on the pricier side, and I'm just don't like waiting to get my packages, and I don't feel like paying for express shipping. So, but this was just an easier way to get some of the stuff. So the next item that we do have is going to be Clout. Now I do believe this is like a purple color, but it's more of like a muted purple. And again, here is the packaging for you as well. And then this is Clout. So yes, it is more of a muted purple, but we will see. I do love wearing bold colors on my lips, on my eyes, whatever it may be. Obviously today it's a little bit of a neutral because I had to work today. Sometimes I do wear funky colors there, but I do have to be professional, and I don't want to really go to a table with very loud makeup on and then look at me like, who is this lady? So, and then the next two items right here I have are another velour liquid lipstick. This is in Watermelon Soda, and this is a very bright pink. So this is his traditional packaging that he has, and then this looks like a bright pink. I think I might have something just like this. I just don't remember what it is. And if this is the one I have already, then I'm going to give this one away. So let me just double check really quickly because my drawer is right here. So this one's kind of close to it. Actually, let me take that back out of the packaging again. I actually have Prom Night in a pink color, which is this one right here. And then these two next to each other, you can tell they're completely different, but they're both very bright. So again, this is more of like a really bright pink. And then this one's more of like, it says in the name, a watermelon pink. That fell right back where it's supposed to go. Liquid lipstick. I'm not really big into like pinks, just because it doesn't really look good on my skin tone. No offense to people that do love pink lipstick. It just looks horrible on me, and the sense of everything when it comes to a pink lipstick. Which then moves me on to the next one. This is the Lip Ammunition, and this is for the Jeffree Star Bullet. Now this is really cool packaging. It literally looks like a bullet shell. And then this is another pink color, and this is in Jeffree's Girl. So like Jessie's Girl, but Jeffree's Girl. And it is this pink right here for you. Now depending on what I get in the other box when I do part 2, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all of this stuff, because some of these colors just aren't wearable, and if I'm not going to wear them, then why am I going to keep them when instead I could give them away? So possibly I might be doing a giveaway in part 2 of this video when I get my deluxe box to see what stuff I got. And then I did get one of the Skin Frosts, if you guys haven't seen these before. And this is in Regina George. So I was kind of hoping I wouldn't get this one, because this is one of the ones I don't think is very wearable when it comes to a highlighter. And so that is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful pink color. I did do my research actually on Regina George, because I remember when it came out, it was when the Storytellers released the Burn Book collection, and then he came out with this really quickly to kind of play on with the same thing that was going on when the whole Mean Girls trend was going on in the makeup community. So, I mean, I'm kind of excited that I got this. Kind of like a novelty item that it's cool to have, but I did hear that it does stain very easily, so he does say not to use it on your eyes. This is one of the only products that I've heard that you can't use in your eyes, because it is more or less a pigment than like how eyeshadows are, but again, it will stain, so it can stain your cheek, it can stain your eye. I have heard that this can be really beautiful as like a lip topper because of how shimmery it is, but it's also pressed different than some of the other Skin Frosts that he has. I do have one of his Skin Frost already. I have it in, I think it's like ice. It's like the really bright white one. I'll put the name of it here somewhere on this video. But if you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. So this might be one of those items I might give away as well, just because it's not something I typically would wear. And again, I don't want to waste it and just have it sitting in a drawer if I'm never going to use it, and possibly just give it away. So again, part 2, look forward for part 2. So that is everything that I got in this box. I'm super excited to see my deluxe box because I just can't wait for it to get here. I don't know the price value of all these items, so throughout this video I'll put the prices somewhere in here, titles, yada yada yada, you know what I mean. And then right now I will show you the full value of this box and how much I actually got out of it versus what I paid for it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly do appreciate it. If you liked watching this video and want to see more videos just like this, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below, and don't forget to subscribe, please. I would definitely appreciate it so much. I am really trying to work on my YouTube channel, which I told you guys in the past, and trying to post a video at least once a week, because with my work schedule it is kind of hectic right now because I am working 6 days a week. So hopefully that dies down and then I can film some more and I can do some more things for you guys on here. As I was saying, thank you guys again so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I will list them here right now and also down below. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. Bye.